Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. Kristin, I'm so excited about this program you have coming up.
Oh, me too. So I think at the beginning of the year, we're always looking for things, to experiment and try something a little bit different. And we are so excited to be launching our Garden to Groceries program. And so I think that, people are noticing the higher cost at the grocery store. And this might be something that you want to actually grow at home in your own garden, your very own garden. And then you might want to get your family involved to hopefully save some money at the grocery store. So as you're, growing your own garden, you can, see the process from starting from seed all the way until harvest. So what this program, Joanna, is going to cover, it's going to start talking about the research-based information for growing these specific crops. And we have a whole lineup of different crops that we're going to touch base on. So the first class that we have that actually launches on Thursday, January the 8th, and that one's just going to kind of be talking about the introduction. But once we get into the specific crops, we're going to be talking about strawberries and sweet corn and tomatoes and zucchini. So things that really just are going to help, round out your groceries, hopefully in the future.
Yeah, and not everybody was raised on a farm where they had access to a garden. And so some of this might be pretty new. And this is kind of for beginners to intermediate level growers, right?
Oh yeah, there's always things you can strengthen, especially in your toolbox whenever it comes to growing. And so specifically, we are going to be talking about, things to watch out for, like pests and diseases. I think every season that we go through, it's a little bit different. And so things to watch out for. Also, knowing what the harvest cues are for these specific vegetables are going to be so different for each one. So we're going to cover that. And if you have any questions whatsoever, we're going to take those at the end. I will mention that this program is going to be on a webinar, on a Zoom meeting. So it's actually going to be held at lunchtime. So that way that you can hop on at your convenience, either from your computer desk where you're working at during your lunch break, or if you just want to join from home as you're washing dishes, whatever fits your schedule. I think this will be good. But the good news is all of these sessions will be recorded. So if you can't really join live, then you can still have that recording available to you later on.
Now, Kristin, you guys are going to offer a different vegetable every single month, right?
Yes. So our goal is to try to hit about 30 minutes for each session, and then we'll take questions at the very end because, there's always going to be questions. And what the participant walks away with, too, is that we've got seasonal modules that they're going to actually have the information to take home, and then, too, they're going to be able to ask the expert on specifically how to grow these specific crops for the Kentucky garden. It is going to be held every second Thursday of each month. So we're going to kick off in January with just kind of a getting to know an overview of the program with Garden to Groceries. And then it's going to go all the way into the month of November. So you can kind of go ahead and earmark your calendar. And we've got the full lineup. Really easy to get registered too. So we've got a QR code that is available. You can also check it on our website as well as our Facebook page for Warren County Agriculture. But this is going to be a joint venture with our coworkers in all the Mammoth Cave area. So it's really going to be a good session. And I think a lot of people are going to be, going to see the rewards that they have from these sessions in their future harvest from their garden. It's absolutely free, so there's no cost. So all you have to do is give us a call. We can walk you through how to get registered. And like I said, you can just register one time and it's going to make you available for all of those future sessions.
In the very beginning, people are like, in January, what am I going to grow in January? But there's a lot of planning that goes involved to even be able to grow in the spring.
Right. So we're going to do a getting started session in that first session. So we're going to talk about the soil, which, as we know, soil is very important to the success of your future garden. And so we're going to talk about that and just kind of some things just to help you get ready to start the season, because when spring gets here, it's like a mad dash. You know how it is.
Now, you mentioned that it's going to be at lunch, so it's going to be at noon Central Time.
Yes. So we're going to be done officially, by 1. Hopefully, like I said, it'll be a 30 to 45 minute time frame. So you can, like I said, you can eat at your desk if you're going to be joining us live, or you can watch the recording a little bit later. So I think that this is going to be a great time frame. And so if anybody has any questions about how to join us or anything like that, they can just reach out to the local extension office.
All right. I think it's a great program. And for people who might just are so excited to get started, we do have the home vegetable garden gardening guide. That's an excellent resource if people don't have it already.
Absolutely. So if you're interested in that, give us a call and we can definitely put that in your hands.
All right, Kristin, we'll certainly appreciate the information. We hope you get signed up for Garden to Groceries. Thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.